Hey guys, so I've been trying to upgrade my video card and seeing the price of those GPU is quite expensive. So I search online, read review various video card and see which one to fit my budget, and eventually come down to the RTX 3060. So finally I was able to get this video card on sale, and I'm very excited to unbox it. This is the MSI GeForce RTX 3060 model Ventus 2X OC edition. Have 12 GB of RAM. It also have ray tracing and DLSS features. After remove the plastic wrapper, so this is the back of the box that give me more information of the video. Tell me that they have 12 GB of GDDR6. Memory bus is 192-bit. Let's open the box. So I have a cover. Let's remove that. Okay, so I have an envelope of MSI. Contains some information. Then the video card itself. The card is well protected in an anti-static bag. So let's have a quick look at the video card. It comes with a port protector. After I remove it, I have here 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. The PCI Express interface was covered with a plastic cover. Here's a review of the video card. It uses an 8-pin power. Here's another view. First step is to remove my old video card, which is a Gigabyte GV-N660OC-2GB, which 2 GB GTX 660. So the current video card is out. I will use in other system. Alright, so the new RTX 3060 is in, and also put in the 8-pin power. Okay, let's press the power and hope it works. Yay! The fan is spinning. It seems to be working. What a wonderful news! And this is when it power down. In Windows DirectX, it shows me the video card NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 with 12 GB of RAM. Alright, so that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below what kind of video card you have, and you have a GTX 3060, what game you're playing. If you like this video, click a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!